Hi everyone, welcome to another maths lesson on place value to 50. So today we're looking at representing numbers and all the different ways we can represent the same number. Let's have a go at your mental oral starter and recap. So remember, you can complete these in your own time. You can just pause the video and then pop them in your packs, and we'll to see the answers on Friday when we pick them up. So have a go at counting in your tens again. It's really important that we know our times tables. If you're feeling really clever, you can write them all out. 1 times 10 equals 10. 2 times 10 equals 20. Then have a go at your recap of things we've already learned in your book. And then let's start today's lesson. So there are lots of different ways to represent numbers, and we've been looking at a lot over the last few weeks. So you've got part whole model, which we should be really good at using by now. Tens frames can show numbers. Base 10 can show numbers. A picture, for example, straws, can show numbers. And then obviously you can see them in the actual number and in the word themselves, the name of the number. So I'm going to show you some different representations of number, and you try and work out what the answer is. So in the part whole, we've used base 10 to show a number. I've got 1 10 and 6 ones. Anybody know what number I'm trying to show 1 10 and 6 ones makes? 16. And there's your 1 10 and your 6 ones put together makes the number 16. What about this one? 3 10s and your 8 ones. What number does that make? You can count on from your 10s and on to your ones to help you. That number is 38. So I've showed you it in 3 10 sticks and 8 ones. Right, can you have a go at putting these tens frames into the part whole? So pause the video and draw them in. Right, let's see if you put them in the right place. So there's the 2 lots of 10 because they're full. So I know that they are tens. And then in goes the ones, the 7 ones. So hopefully you've seen that there's 2 lots of 10 and 7 ones. And what number has that made? And you write it in the top. Well done if you've wrote the number 27. 2 10s and 7 ones makes 27. This time we've got bundles of straws and ones. Pause the video and have a go at it. Fill it out. Can you put it in the part hole? There goes the 10s and the ones. So I've got 4 10s and 1 1. That makes the number 41. Well done if you got that. So pause the video and draw in your 10s and 1s in the part hole for me, and fill in the number at the top. What number is it? Right, let's go through it. So there's the 10s. There's 3 bundles of 10. There's the 1s. So there are 3 10s and 3 1s. So the answer is 33. So you should have written 33 in your hole. Pause the video and I want you to have a go at drawing some of the different ways of showing 34. I at least want to see a part whole and some base 10, and then see if you can come up with any more. Let's have a see what we've got. So 34, I've got it in straws, in a part whole, in tens frames, or you could have done it in base 10, or a picture, or any other way, as long as it's showing the number 34. Right, pause the video. Can you match up the numbers to the pictures? Match up the representations of the numbers. Right, let's go through the answers. So the straws show the number 31, the tens frames show the number 30, and the base 10 shows the number 13. Well done if you got that. What is missing? Have the numbers been made correctly? So 23, does that show 23? What's missing? Pause and draw it on your PowerPoint sheets. Right, let's see if you got it. Well done if you drew an extra 1 in. That was missing. You need 3 ones to make the number 23. What's missing from this number? 35 it's supposed to be. Pause it and draw it in on your sheet. Well done if you spotted there were 2 ones missing. And then, is there anything missing for this last question? Does it show the number 50? Well done if you realised there was nothing missing in that one, it was just a trick question. Okay, so we've got some representations of numbers in base 10 and tens frames and straws, and all I would like you to do is the first 2, you've got to fill out the pat pat hurl to show the number in tens and ones. Then there's the pat pat hurl and the number sentence, and again the pat pat hurl and the sentence, and then just like you did with the number 34, can you show me the number 45 in different ways? In tens frames, in base 10, in a pat pat hurl, the number, the word even. It's entirely up to you for that one, but good luck everybody. Thank you for listening.